The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Franklin County in northeastern Texas, southwestern Bowie County in northeastern Texas, northwestern Morris County in northeastern Texas, northern Titus County in northeastern Texas, southern Red River County in northeastern Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hagansport, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wilkerson around 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bucks Elder around 8:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Dalby Springs around 8:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lydia, Johnstown, KFYN, Avery, Townco, and Harts Bluff. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of
shotguns.